Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Today we will be removing and replacing the tweeter on this Mercedes. This is the E-Class from 2003 to 2008, guys. So that's what I'm talking about, this tweeter right here, or the passenger side as well, okay? The one there is the same procedure, okay, this one. So it's pretty simple. If it's not working, we're gonna show you how to do that. Sometimes they make really loud noise, popping noise. We hate them. So if you get a prying tool, okay, like that, you can find the links for the tools we use, guys, on our website, mechanicwifestyle.com. Okay, and you need to pop it, you saw this way, okay, those are the clips right here. And now we have that foam insulation. Okay, so you need to carefully pull it out. Okay, this is the tweeter, okay, right here, that actually fell off. It wasn't even holding. And now we need to disconnect the wire in order to remove it. Okay, and let's see how stuck this one is now. Still holding a little bit. Okay, so right there you need to lift up a little bit here and pull it. Grab it for the connector, not for the wires. Okay, and you pull it out. Okay, this is the tooth, okay, right here, that's holding. And this is, guys, the tweeter, okay, right here, that's what it is. Okay, and if you need a part number, this one specifically is a 2003 model, E320. Okay, some might differ depending on what kind of options you have and all that stuff. So that'll be the whole procedure, guys. Thank you for watching us. Please subscribe and let's grow the channel together. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.